cinnamon swirl banana bread, and guess what? It's cane sugar free. Let's hop right into it. First, I mashed up 4 bananas, and then I added in my Truvia brown sugar substitute. Then I added in some salted butter and flour, as well as my baking powder and baking soda. After giving that a good mix, I added in 2 eggs, some buttermilk, and some vanilla extract. I mixed that all together really well, and then I added in some chopped walnuts. To a greased loaf pan, I added in half of my batter, and I'm sprinkling half of my cinnamon and sugar mixture over top, and then swirling that into the batter. Then you're just going to repeat this until your pan is completely full. For my cinnamon sugar, I just combined some monk fruit sweetener with some ground cinnamon. Once my batter was all in my pan, I just baked this on 350 for about 55 minutes. I topped my banana bread with a very simple glaze using this Swirl confectioner sugar replacement, and then I added in some milk and some vanilla extract and mixed it until it was nice and smooth. I let my banana bread cool for about 10 minutes before I added my icing on top, and I just drizzled it on top with a spoon to make these cute little lines. You know, just a nice little drizzle for the girls. And then I cut into my banana bread, and this is how it came out. Absolutely amazing. It was so good. Couldn't even tell that I was using a sugar replacement, and it was ridiculously moist. Cinnamon swirl banana bread. Absolutely.